What's going on, guys? It's Jay and welcome back. Today I'm just going to show you guys, I finally got my Brembo brake calipers. It took about a month to get here. Ordered them off Amazon. I'll link it down below. Don't be fooled. Yes, this is just a cover, but this shit is not easy to install. These brakes, I don't know if it was just my car how it's set. It doesn't have like the clips that people use to like clip on it. My car don't have that, so I had to, on the top, they're like completely squared off, so I have to get, luckily I had a Dremel, so I was able just to cut the edges, that way it wasn't rubbing on the rotor itself. You can probably see some of the red where I went and picked up some high temp JB Weld and just got it on there, and it's on there pretty straight. It ain't going anywhere, so that's good. Also, the hub on my car, you can see some of it. I didn't want to get it on the rotor, but this was like rusted, so I just went and got some VHT caliper paint and just hit that, just taped all this off and hit that and blacked it out. But I mean, it came out, doesn't look too bad. That's the back, this is the front. It doesn't look too bad. I painted these, but the fronts were rusty. I painted those, but I only painted this one because that was the first one I did. But you can't really see the hub on this tire, so you don't have to paint that. But the installation it's pretty straightforward. It's not easy, but it's pretty straightforward. Anyone could figure it out, but I mean, they don't look that bad. I went with the blue because everyone has, of course, red ones, and my turbo badge is blue, so I need to clean it, but went ahead and got the blue ones. I also have a muffler delete under here. I'll get some sound clips of that. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch y'all on the next one.